I just came back from school and it's super hot outside. It's 91 degrees right now and it's just super hot. So I decided to make some lemonade on the Thermomix. So let's get to it. So I'm going to press start. And it says to put 3.5 ounces of sugar. So instead of sugar, we're using xylitol. It's more healthier than sugar and it has less calories in it. So that's why we're going to use it today. So here's my 3.5 cup there. We are going to make it 0. Now we're going to pour it in. Now we're going to press next, and it says insert measuring cup into mixing bowl lid. Then going to put it like that, and we have to put it for max. 2 lemons halved. Okay, well, we're gonna take this off. Goodness. So 2 lemons in halves. So we're going to now pour it in. The whole thing. Yes. And we're going to press next. Insert measuring cup to mixing bowl lid. Going to do. Wow, in 2 seconds the Thermomix chopped up my lemons. That's insane. Oh, now, gotta take it off. Wow, wow, it looks good. Some crunched up pieces. Put it back in now, and we have to put in 35 ounces of water. What's your bottle? 35. Oh. Have to open another one. Now what we're going to press next. Okay, we gotta put this in now. Next, for 3. I'm so gonna be so thirsty when this is done. So I'm gonna be like, oh, finally. Okay, that's quick. Now we go to, oh gosh, it's lemonade. Okay, insert simmering basket. And we have to put it in through here. Water. Does it have to be all the way down? Yes. And place. So now the Thermomix is showing me a video. I'm gonna press play. Loading. Okay. Yes, I put it in there. It uses a spatula. Okay. Try to do it. Going to put it in there. Okay. Okay. we're going to pour it in. Hopefully nothing spills. Wow, that's a lot in there. Put that there. Now we're going to exit out of the video. Press next. Okay, now add 10 ice cubes and serve immediately. As I said, now we already put the 10 ice cubes in before, and I rolled a drink, and it looks amazing. So I need to try my delicious lemonade. Gonna pour it in my cup here. And some ice cubes falling in. Try it. Enjoy, guys. This is so good. It's the best. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me making lemonade, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video. Bye!